How to install iOS 17 beta profile on your iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can install the iOS 17 beta profile on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to install the iOS 17 beta profile for your iPhone, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is simply first of all go ahead and launch the settings application. Currently if I go to general and then if I go to about, currently I am on iOS 16.5.1. And if I want to update it to iOS 17, keep in mind that this is not a stable version, this is just a beta version. I wouldn't really recommend you install it on your main device, but only for testing purposes you can definitely test that out. So you want to simply go to software update section over here. You can see automatic updates is actually turned on, and here you can see beta updates is turned off. So you want to tap on beta updates here, and here you can see iOS 17 public beta. Just make sure to tap on it. Once you tap on that option, now you can just come back over here. You can see iOS 17 beta option, which is 6.35 GB by the way. All you have to do is simply tap the download and install button here, and then just make sure to actually enter your phone's passcode. And once you enter your phone's passcode, the iOS 17 beta is going to get automatically downloaded and installed on your device. But as I said earlier, it is not stable, so if you think that you're doing it on your primary device as a daily driving thing, I wouldn't really recommend you to do so. But if you just want to do it for testing purposes, then you can definitely try this out. Let the update to be downloaded, and after that your phone is going to reboot and iOS 17 will be successfully downloaded. This way you can basically go ahead and then actually install iOS 17 beta on your iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.